Hello everyone, my name is Parag, and in today's presentation, we'll be going through the history of the Linux system, and I'll be taking you through how it started off and what is the use of it today and the future of it, and we'll also be sharing a lot of different details in regards to Linux system. So I've created a PowerPoint presentation, and so I hope you guys like it. So let's go through it. So let me share my screen. Yeah, there you go. So I've created a presentation, as you can see here. So this is the history of the Linux operating system. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, so here you can see that in the introduction part, we have Linux is an open source computer operating system, meaning its source code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. Millions of people widely use it globally on servers, desktop, computers, and mobile devices. Linux is recognized for being stable, secure, and providing a reliable and safe computing environment for everyone. It's known for its flexibility, allowing users to customize, adapt the system to meet their specific needs and preferences. So that's the introduction of the Linux system. Next thing we have is the birth of the GNU or Linux system. In this particular category, and it's you to know that in 1983, Richard Stallman began the GNU project to make a free operating system working on crucial parts but lacking a kernel. In 1981, Linus Torvalds shared his new kernel, called as Linux, through a Usenet post, completing the missing piece for the GNU operating system. In the next slide, which is the rise of the Linux, we have Linux became quite popular, especially among programmers and enthusiasts who appreciated its open nature. A community of developers joined forces to enhance Linux, collectively turning into a collaborative project. Various Linux distributions formed, combining the Linux kernel with essential software, providing users with diverse options for their computing needs. Next, we have the Linux and the open source movement. So, Linux is a leading illustration of the open source movement, where the source code is freely accessible and modifiable by the users. Open source software like Linux is released under license that allows users to freely use, modify, and distribute it, fostering it a collaborative and community-driven approach. The open source model significantly contributed to the success of Linux by encouraging widespread collaboration and user empowerment. In the next slide, we have about the Linux today as of today. How is it doing these days? So we can see that Linux is utilized by businesses, government, and education institutions worldwide. It is a favored operating system for home users as well. Linux is constantly advancing, regularly gaining new features and capabilities to enhance its performance and functionality. So what do we know? So next we know that the future of the Linux. So what is the future of the Linux? So Linux is set for further expansion due to its current strength and adaptability. It is a robust, flexible, and cost-effective programming operating system that is continually improving. Many believe that Linux represents the future of computing, indicating its potential dominance, influence in the evolving tech landscape. So, what is the conclusion of our presentation? Here we go. So, Linux stands out as a significant accomplishment in the history of computing. It exemplifies the extraordinary results achievable when people collaborate to build something truly exceptional. Linux showcases the strength of open source software, demonstrating the positive outcomes of the shared development and community involvement. I hope everyone likes this presentation and I hope you learned from this presentation. If you have any questions, you can email me on my email me or reach me on LinkedIn. And so here are some references which I use to make uh, my presentation. And if you want to refer more about it, learn more about it, I am happy to share. I hope everyone enjoyed the presentation, and I hope to make more of such these videos. Anyways, have a good day. Take care.